What's up, guys? Gonna be trying to fix the exhaust leak on this Pontiac 08 G6 4-cylinder. First you have to remove this top, move the engine cover. It pulls right off. See those little things? You just gotta snap it off those little things. Pull it right off. Put your oil cap back on. Next, you'll want to remove the manifold cover. It has 3 bolts. One right here. I can't need the light. Yeah, it has 3 bolts. One right here, one right there, one right here. I already removed it to speed up the process of the video. Now you can see the crack all the way up there. Okay, so next I disconnected the sensor. It got a blue little tab lock on it. You just pull that blue tab lock out first, and then you just pull these two apart. And also it'll be stuck to the engine mount, so you just pull it out. It got that little nipple right there. But if you got a big wrench, like I think it's like probably a 21 or 22 or something like that, then you can just unscrew it from here. But I don't have a big wrench. Also, there's another one right up under here. There's another sensor right here. Once again, if you got the right size wrench, you can just unscrew it from that little mount right there. You don't gotta disconnect it. Also, if you're going to disconnect the sensors like I did, then you might want to disconnect your negative charge on your battery so you won't short nothing out. So I'm gonna come back to you guys when I get all of them out. I don't want to lose any. So I got this phone in my hand. Okay, so I undid all the exhaust flange bolts. I undid the screw that go right here, and I undid the bolt that it comes up, so you gotta get onto the bottom of the car to unscrew it. So I did that. Also undid that so I can be able to move that exhaust manifold around, so I can be able to get to these 3 bolts. It's 3, 1, 2, and on the other side it would make 3. Okay, so I finally got the muffler out, but I had to take off the swing bar, and it goes from right there to that part. So if you guys don't know how to take that unloose, you gotta put a wrench on it. And you see this little bolt piece, you gotta put your wrench on it, and then put a socket right here. And you gotta tighten, and the bolt gonna come unloose. Also, there's 2 bolts. There's one right there, and there'll be one on the other side. You will have to use a wrench from the inside. You gotta get under the car and stick a wrench over there and tighten it up slightly. It don't gotta be all the way out, because the bracket has a slit in it. It goes one of the brackets, so you don't got to pull that back screw out because you can just slide it forward. Now that front screw, you got to take it all the way out. So I eventually got it all the way out. I was having trouble with this one here. That's why I had to go through so many steps. But I'm sure if you can take these three out, then you probably don't got to take that bar off. Okay, so I cut it with the angle grinder so I can get some penetration when I weld, and I'm going to eventually finish drilling through that hole. We're supposed to drill at the end and the start of the crack. So that's where it starts, and it ends right here, and then it starts back right here, and then it spread back over here. So I'm about to drill a hole right here, a hole in the middle, a hole over there. Clean that side up, the inside, with a Dremel. Let it air out a little bit, then I'll be right back. I gotta tighten up all the header bolts. Gotta tighten up these. Well, put the exhaust cover on. Take these out and put the exhaust cover on. I gotta tighten up this bracket, tighten up this screw under there. I gotta put the screw back in under here that's in the orange bucket. It's a mount under there. I gotta tighten up that bracket on both sides. I have to tighten up that bracket on both sides. I have to tighten that up. Also gotta tighten that up. I gotta tighten the exhaust. What's that? Right there. Gotta tighten those two bolts up. I have to tighten that rod up, top and bottom. Put the exhaust, put the motor cover back on, and that should be it, hopefully. Oh, and put the negative battery charge back on. What else? This should be it. Alright, if I'm forgetting anything, hopefully I'll remember it in the morning.